Hi, I'm Bilal Katrada, founder of IT Varsity, and I want to share with you the story of why I founded IT Varsity. Now, the story starts way back when I was 10 years old and I was introduced to coding. I absolutely fell in love with coding, and that's all I wanted to do for a living. Naturally, when I went to university, I studied the computer science degree, and I was looking forward to a job in professional software engineering. The trouble is, when I came to the final year of my studies and I started to put out job applications, and I realized that no one wanted to hire me. So when I made inquiries around why my applications were rejected, people simply said that I didn't have enough experience. So that was surprising, because the question is, how would I get experience if I didn't have a job? And that's when I realized that I was caught in this trap. It's what I like to call the vicious work experience cycle, which is that you can't get work because you don't have experience, but you can't get experience because you don't have an actual job. And I also realized that there are tens of thousands of young people that are graduating from our universities every year that are caught up in the same trap. And the only way I got out of this trap was to teach myself the skills that would be required to get into a professional software development company. Now, it took me 3 years to learn those skills and to get my first interview. In the meantime, I had to sustain myself with whatever jobs I could get. That's when I realized that something needs to be done, that there needs to be an institute that prepares people for exactly what they will need for the world of work. And that's where the idea of IT Varsity came about. So I started IT Varsity to solve that problem so that no young people will have the problem of being caught in that vicious work experience cycle. And as part of the programs that we offer at IT Varsity is the Entrepreneur Program, which is a complete course that teaches all the skills that anybody will need to become a professional software developer. And because technology is changing all the time, we keep the Entrepreneur course updated. Sometimes we update even more than once a year. So that is the story of why I founded IT Varsity.